Hello everyone, welcome again to this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how can you make your iPhone faster, like in the 5 ways. The first thing you have to do is activate the face lock ID. So by these features, you can like unlock your phone easily without having entering the passcode. So make sure you activate those by go open the settings, and you just need to like scrolling down until you found the face ID and passcode, and then you just need to go click it, and you just need to follow everything in front of the screen that displayed. Now the next thing you need to do, the second step is please avoid this type of shown application. So creating the folder here probably can make you like slower finding the application. So if you found some application, it doesn't necessarily just need to remove it from your screen, but go tap it and remove the app. And you just need, if you don't want to uninstall it, just go remove from the screen, and you can do for the rest too. And then for the third is you can use the assistive touch, increasing the level of the assistive touch of iPhone. So in iPhone, we have a features whenever you hold the application in several times, there will be like a pop-up menu option of various applications, right? But then if you see that whenever we tap it, we need like several moment to wait until this options is pop up. So let's make it fast by open the setting. Now just need to like scrolling down until you got the accessibility, and then you just need to tap it. Now you just need to go click this touch. Now there will be like the haptic touch, just go tap it, and here you see that my phone here is in a slow settings, means that we need to tap and hold the applications, and we need to wait like a little bit of moment until this option is pop up. Now we change it from the fast, and let's just see the difference. Tap and hold, and you just need to like wait like less than a second, and those menu is just right away pop up on your screen. That's really quick. And then this is the fourth ways. The fourth ways is I think this is the 5 ways. So the 5 ways is just go use this feature. So in this iPhone, if you want to like move from one application to another application, sometimes you will like slide this bottom screen into the upper side, and then we'll have like this type of options, right? But then this quite really a little bit slow, right? So you can just do this instead. So you just need to open one of the applications open here, and then you just need to swipe this bottom side into the right side, so that they will be like right away move into the previous application that you just opened. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.